that Elgin shit. So what app can connect cars where the drivers can communicate?
You want to sound stupid on camera?
No.
It's actually kind of genius. I thought about it one time.
Yeah, we all think about it. How many
times you pass a cute girl and you're like, why can't I say something?
You're never gonna see her again? Fuck. All right, anyways. Cheers. Let's go do this.
We're out here. Jake is a rookie, as you can tell, wearing white shoes out to the country.
I didn't know we'd be coming out with a bump fuck.
Dude, I told you we're going to Elgin. That should have given you enough.
Elgin's not too small.
Look around, buckaroo. Look around.
So how was it, Michael, flying this thing?
Wasn't bad.
I mean, it's still intact, so.
Well, you haven't flown it yet, have you? So you don't fully know that.
No. But yeah, I was looking at the footage that he used. It looked pretty good. Not bad for. He probably didn't practice at all, did he?
What do you think? No, we did not.
Fuck.
All right, let's go. Slowpoke. I got shit to do. We got shit to do. We all got shit to do.
Headed out to the Oasis, about to do a shoot with ATX Slingshots. If y'all don't know Josh, check him out. Brett and I had a pretty sweet conversation this morning with a executive producer talking about a potential show that we could shoot and pitch to Netflix. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, coffee first though, am I right? Another shoot on another one. I don't know where this one is, downtown, some bar. Ferrell, dope artist. We're gonna go check him out. So we were just kind of shooting them as they were going up the trail, and then there's a cliffside shot on the trail where it kind of like opens up to the lake. So, oh my god, the footage is incredible.
Hey. Yeah, I think I like that effect. Just let me still check it. Hey, oh, yeah. Woo! So I think you reduce the reverb a little bit. More? No, just a little bit. Reduce the reverb. When you're gone.
Every Mac, you're my cool, cough and gata. Come on, your body healthy and your mind is proper. After tonight, I won't see your papa. And buy some things them for your mama. You know go bad if you wait for Dubai your kata.
Amazing, incredible, such a good vibe, such a good energy. Ferrell is the whole package. He is a performer with a beautiful voice. He's an entertainer. He engages the audience. I got to dance and have a great time. We'll never miss one of his shows.
What up?
The Norwegian.
Well, yeah, I guess.
Where's your Viking hair?
Coffee? Water?
Sure not Italian?
It's like someone's trying to shake your hand.
Italian.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, bro?
Oh,
Oh.
There's gangsta.
Because of a DJI care plan?
No, because
It's not insurance.
one of the first fucking days we got the drone, Jake crashed it on the lakeside.
I was flying at night with a bunch of fireworks in the air. It was impossible to see.
Who do you get on PKs? Argentina and France. It's pretty simple.
Oh, Argentina, for sure.
I'll
Jake?
go with France.
3, 4 o'clock. So if y'all 10, 2.
But you don't want anything prior to that, like
getting dressed.
I will be there with my camera. However, I think that y'all should get there around like 1:30.
I have no idea. I don't.
That way y'all can scope the ground and figure out what y'all need. You know what I'm saying? Especially
I don't do video at all.
So I've done some weddings prior, and like usually, like you have all the bridesmaids together. Like,
the first look and all that. We have that.
Yeah, that's happening. All the first looks and everything are happening like around. I think it was 3 or 4 on the itinerary, but that's why I was saying if you don't want to get there a little earlier, that way we can get footage of like my mom helping me get ready, maybe some shots in like the other bride's place. It's actually the groom place, but you know.
Can I show you something quick so I can just give you an idea of something? Like, it's like we will go. What's up? We're at Left Sound Studio. Welcome back to the vlog. Skyro in the building. Got Brett, Jake behind the camera, Melanie, Frankie, Haley. It's going down. What was your name again?
Hey,
Peter.
They got you a gift of tequila, bro.
Yeah.
Because I run a vlog.
Oh, yes. Yeah, do your thing.
Callie? Yeah?
Yes.
Actually, don't. It's much more success, you know what I'm saying, and abundance of wealth for our families and us, you know what I'm saying, to live out our dreams. I love y'all. Cheers. That's a fucking superstar.
What was your name again? Okay, Michael.
Okay. You said Michael?
Michael, yeah.
Okay.
It's easy to remember, it's Michael Ryan.
Michael Ryan, gotcha.
Yeah, let's get that again.
So that's all of our shit, you know what I mean?
How are you? My friend Snow in the building. I made it.
And she back. She back.
What's up?
She back. She back with new glasses. Who's the best? Who's the best?
Lifestyle Studio.
Hey, Lifestyle Studio.
It's a collective. It's not any one person.
Exactly. It's all of us together, baby.
Yeah, he a fucking amazing. This motherfucker do backflips. You don't know what you finna see.
I'm good. I'm doing good, bro. I'm doing good. Good seeing you, dude.
Don't need a shot for the back. Yeah. No, this catching effect. Yeah. Better that be like I'm steady.
Always money, always woman, won't waste time. Got exquisite taste, but everything ain't fine. Everybody got intentions, they like me, I want your sign. I like fuckers to be picky. I like tell me if you with it. I like fuck on inky. I like fuck on inky. She like the Michael.